Okay, I'm set up now, and this is my rip fence, okay, for resoling wood. I've used it on a lot of different projects. This is nothing but a piece of conduit. I got a wing nut, sits right in here, and I welded the conduit to the wing nut, and I've got nothing more than drilled through. Okay, I drilled through, and I put a piece on here like that. I bent a piece of metal so that it grabs the back of the 3/4 inch plywood. Make a little pivot, one screw. See if I can do this for you. See, it moves up and down. You probably won't be able to see it too much, but anyway, if I just slide it on there like that, adjust where I want. I made this perfectly square, and I give this a turn or two. I'm locked in there. Now, let me see, I'm going to put you in a camera stand here. Let's see if we can't get this thing to go. So, hang in there with me. And so, here we go with this. I think we're going to be able to do this. See it there? Yeah, I can see the bottom. And that's about as high as I can go, I think. Maybe I can get over here. I think that's good. Okay, I'm going to turn this on. I'm going to rip through this. It's just a 2x4. Okay, and I'm going to adjust this over a little bit anyway. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to turn it on now, and I'm going to rip this 2x4. That's really nice. There you go. So, as you can see, I had a lot of fun doing this, and hope you enjoyed the little film, and hope it inspires you to make something. A lot of fun doing this stuff. So take care. Love you all. Bye-bye.